Have you heard of Pegasus? With just a single text, it can bypass your phone's security and install spyware that grants complete access to your device. It can access every message you have sent, it can access every message you have received, it can access every photo, every video, every email, it can turn on your microphone, can turn on the microphone even when you are not using a phone call and just record what you are doing in the room. It can turn on your camera, it can record what's on the screen, it can access your GPS, it can monitor your location. And it can do all of this without you ever knowing. The spyware technology that makes this possible is called Pegasus. Pegasus is the main product of a company called NSO Group, which is an Israeli surveillance company. So, the people who are using this spyware are government clients. These will be governments around the world that the NSO Group have sold a copy of Pegasus to. Pegasus is probably the most advanced piece of spyware ever developed. It is effectively the most invasive form of surveillance imaginable. How does Pegasus infect? Pegasus can infect both iOS and Android devices while remaining virtually undetectable. The first version of the spyware was detected in 2016 and used spear phishing to infect a smartphone. Zero-day vulnerability, a vulnerability that the phone's manufacturer doesn't yet know exists. How to detect Pegasus. The Forensic Methodology Report by Amnesty International sheds light on the traces that the spyware leaves. The report highlights several domain redirections that have been spotted on infected devices. The report has published a total of 700 Pegasus-related domains that were discovered during the investigation. Another method of spotting Pegasus is through the iOS records of process executions and their respective network usage in two specific files. A suspicious process called BH was spotted in network usage databases of infected devices. How to get rid of Pegasus? Cybersecurity experts have indicated that a device infected by Pegasus might never be able to recover from it completely. Traces of the spyware might still be found, even after a hard factory reset of the device. So the best option for victims of the spyware attack is to get rid of the infected device altogether. Anyone finding traces of Pegasus on their phone should switch to a new phone and change the passwords of the applications and services they used on that phone. To know more on forensics, visit our website www.proaxysolutions.com or follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and YouTube.